And so it is brewing in the tranquility of delirium. Sound the Ashene Don Bourg de Vachoprin Ray, Hoshudi. You were conversing last night with your grandfather Don Bourg, you said to me. Agus ananashlik nyon sillerach og chamber high, harlich a grieve, it a kerwan huj aran, gamker masho a vai, idria, it a behes baz. Idu an dara, rogarech, ek aman an ille, gendat gaji. And in a dream, or in the clarity of an alien ward, he advised you, between verses of his songs, that it was a bit like this, the journey between life and death. Sometimes dark, too dark, at other moments without imperfection. Thus you mar fechte ga, yin sha grief. Fer e galagel cum an cúramach go topar ginawach. Fer e gatel blas a cruich I chdier. Fer e jeeg plísin sa verle, it kreter na gag chich. Fer a hond is ik na faast na hoog en na fikete. Nacht ik in morik galerie, ik a vottach. You were like a pet for him, he told you. Someone who could run with a careful pail to the well of generations. Someone who could kindle warmth from the stack of his heart. Someone who could call prices in English for creatures which couldn't be sold. Someone who could count tight farthings into piles, the king's large white notes under the old man's bed of days. A had ook a fikker speechen, it calls hoeschen, it does an waring, soon a lassichen. In the need void venlig, good dove, not beoch, not eriked, not ikkel. A smashing stoge, geharge, ha green live jisher gakkerst. Shach nach de gundush. But he didn't give any kind of answer about the look of things, at the source of the font, in the eye of the blaze, at the great everlasting fair without drover, or beast, or money, or fear. And maybe that's just as well the grip in your right hand contends, since you didn't ask him.